Dry air drama? Conquer it with Dreo's Smart Humidifier. Tech meets tranquility. Ever feel like your home has turned into the Sahara Desert? Dry skin, wilting plants, static shocks, and scratchy throats, it's the struggle no one asked for. But fear not, Dreo Smart Humidifier is here to flip the script. With its 4-liter top-fill design, 32-hour runtime, and ultra-quiet ultrasonic mist, it's ready to transform your space into a moisture-rich oasis. Compatible with Alexa, Google Assistant, and the Dreo app, this humidifier lets you control comfort at your fingertips or with your voice. Say goodbye to dry air blues and hello to effortless hydration and happier vibes. The problem with most humidifiers? They're loud, leaky, and need constant babysitting. Dreo rewrites the rules with cutting-edge dual-intake mist power that delivers moisture 3 times faster than standard models. Whether you're reviving tired plants, soothing your baby's sleep, or keeping your skin glowing, Dreo's precise sensors maintain optimal humidity automatically. Its whisper-quiet 28 decibel operation means peaceful nights, while its sleek black design adds a modern touch to any room. No more wrestling with complicated setups, just plug in, fill up, and breathe easy. Refilling humidifiers can be a nightmare: spills, drips, and tank-flipping acrobatics. Not with Dreo. Its top-fill design makes adding water a breeze, no mess, no stress. Cleaning? Even easier. Its modular build lets you disassemble and rinse quickly, keeping things fresh and hygienic. Plus, the 4-liter tank ensures uninterrupted comfort, so you're not refilling every few hours. Designed with BPA-free materials, it's safe for babies, plants, and everyone in between. Energy efficient and budget-friendly, Dreo saves time, hassle, and money while delivering performance that lasts. Stuck juggling mist levels, timers, and lights? Dreo's smart controls do the heavy lifting. Use the Dreo app or voice commands to adjust settings without leaving the couch or bed. Auto mode monitors humidity and adjusts output, so you always get the perfect balance without micromanaging. The ambient nightlight adds a soothing glow, perfect for nurseries and relaxation. Whether you're busy working, out running errands, or simply too cozy to get up, Dreo ensures your air stays perfectly hydrated at all times. Why settle for average when you can have extraordinary? Dreo Smart Humidifier isn't just a fix for dry air, it's a lifestyle upgrade. From stress-free setup and spa-like aromatherapy options to intelligent mist control and sleek design, this humidifier delivers comfort with class. Whether you're saving your skin, rescuing your plants, or creating a serene nursery, Dreo does it all, quietly, efficiently, and stylishly. Ready to turn dry air drama into hydration heaven? The solution is just a click away.